Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the prizes I received from Bench Beauty. I joined their So In Love giveaway promo last time and I was one of the lucky winners. Bench Beauty shipped the prizes via LBC and we paid 165 pesos. And here are the items that are inside the box. We have So In Love Eau de Toilette, So In Love Matte Lipstick, and 1, 2, 3 nail polishes from their So In Love collection. Now let me unpack this. Okay, so it's inside a resealable bag. This is So In Love Eau de Toilette and Jham is their current model for this one. Now let's remove the plastic. I remember we bought this exact same perfume before, and I think Iminho was the model back then. The box has these beautiful intricate designs on the sides. And let me tell you guys, the designs are embossed. And the scent is still the same. I still love it. Now let's move on to the matte lipstick. And this shade is called First Date. Now let's open it. Their lipstick looks so elegant in white. At the bottom you can see the shade's name. And at the back of it, it says matte lipstick. And guess what? The cap of the lipstick has magnet. It's just so satisfying to close. And I love that it has a magnet, so if it's inside your bag, it won't easily open. So I've swatched the shade First Date on my hand. Now for the 3 nail polishes. We have Date Night, Puppy Love, and Kiss and Make Up. There are actually 5 shades from their So In Love collection, so I'll be buying the 2 shades that's left and I'll surely make a swatch and review video for it. I want to thank Bench Beauty for these amazing giveaway prizes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, share this video to your awesome friends and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!